Ever wondered why Zen gardens evoke a sense of tranquility and peace? Originating from Japan, Zen gardens serve as tranquil spaces for meditation and reflection. They are a symphony of simplicity and profound beauty, featuring key elements like carefully raked gravel or sand to symbolize water ripples, strategically positioned rocks to represent islands, and minimalistic vegetation to maintain a sense of calm and balance. Every rock, every ripple in the sand, each leaf on a tree has a purpose and a meaning in a Zen garden. So, what do these elements in a Zen garden symbolize? Let's delve into this serene world where every component holds profound meaning. The raked gravel or sand, meticulously patterned, symbolizes water, its ripples carrying a sense of calm and balance. The rocks, strategically placed, represent islands or mountains, standing as silent sentinels in a sea of tranquility. Then we have the plants, each one carefully chosen, pruned, and positioned, embodying the essence of nature in its purest form. From moss-covered stones to graceful bamboo, these living elements breathe life into the garden. But what truly defines a Zen garden is the mindfulness in its creation and maintenance. Every arrangement, every pattern is an invitation to slow down, to breathe, to appreciate the present moment. The art of Zen gardening lies in the intention behind each element, each pattern, fostering a deep connection with the natural world. Creating a Zen garden is not just about aesthetics, it's a journey towards inner peace. The therapeutic benefits of Zen gardens extend far beyond their visual appeal. The very act of creating and maintaining these spaces becomes a meditative practice in itself, a conduit for mindfulness. Imagine the rhythmic act of raking gravel, each stroke a deliberate movement, each pattern a ripple in a sea of tranquility. It's akin to a form of meditation that taps into your inner calm. And then there's the mindful selection and care of the plants, each chosen not just for their aesthetic appeal, but for their ability to thrive in this meditative environment, fostering a deeper connection with the natural world. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small balcony, incorporating the principles of a Zen garden can transform any outdoor space into a sanctuary of serenity.